In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for fun, a step-by-step guide. We'll turn your chat into a playful, creative playground with quick setup, smart prompting, and a streamlined workspace so you can enjoy games, humor, and interactive role plays with ease. Start by priming your space for entertainment. Open your main dashboard, head to the bottom left corner, click your profile picture, and go to Settings. In the personalization area, find Custom Instructions and write clear preferences like prioritize highly creative, humorous, and descriptive responses. Feel free to use clever plot twists and unique storytelling elements. This tells the system to lean into personality and color rather than defaulting to flat, robotic replies. Next, choose the right performance mode for your goal. At the very top of your chat window, use the model selector. Keep it on the instant tier when you want rapid-fire fun. Think quick jokes, lightning trivia, or playful name ideas on the spot. When you're ready for deeper, more intricate play, switch to the thinking tier. That's where complex logic shines, great for tracking a murder mystery, managing puzzle rules, or hosting an elaborate choose-your-own adventure. Now set the stage with a strong priming prompt. Instead of a short, vague request, press Shift-Enter to draft a clear, multi-line setup. For example, ask it to act as an elite tabletop game master, witty comedian, and puzzle designer. Then request that it first ask you 3 targeted questions about genre, difficulty, and victory conditions before starting. Answer those questions one by one so the system tailors the experience precisely to your style. With your direction locked in, open a clean, organized game view. Type Canvas. Create a structured adventure. Tracking ledger based on our parameters. Format this document into an organized layout mapping out current location, scenario, atmospheric description, active inventory items, and available path options. Your screen will split, leaving your chat on the left and a tidy, editable canvas on the right. As the story evolves, tweak details directly in the canvas, like highlight any line you want to change, click the small comment bubble that appears, and issue a precise update, like adding a hidden trapdoor, placing a glowing blue potion in your inventory, and adjusting the path options. For richer storytelling, slide the tone control toward creative and descriptive to amplify sensory detail. Finally, go hands-free. Tap the microphone icon to speak your choices aloud and let the AI narrate scenes with characterful delivery. When you're ready to pause, export your progress from the Canvas header as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.